Hi everyone, let's simulate a strain test on EV copper busbars today. First, use an alcohol pad to clean the surface where the strain gauge is to be bonded. Next, use positioning tape to fix the position and prevent short circuits of the leads. Apply 101 glue to the test point. Bond pre-soldered strain gauge onto the test point. Press firmly with TIFI film to ensure secure bonding. Then bond the lead terminals with 101 glue and press firmly with TIFI film. Bond the strain gauge at the other point identically. Show the strain gauges bonded on both ends. Place the copper busbar into the fixture and secure it. Connect leads to channel ports C and D. Connect the instrument to the computer. Start setting instrument parameters. Set 2 channels to strain mode with a quarter bridge and disable the rest. 0 channel 1 and channel 2, then start testing. Apply pressure to the copper busbar. Deformation is clearly visible. Thereby judge whether the copper busbar meets design requirements. JINGYAN SG04 stress analyzer delivers precision measurement solutions for materials.